Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officers Adda 24/7. My name is Amanjot and I am here with all of you to discuss the another 10 questions on Indian economy and Indian financial system. Okay, so let's start the session. But before starting the session, if you haven't downloaded the Adda 24/7 application yet, then do download the application because you will get all these benefits on the application with the premium study material. Apart from that, if you haven't subscribed the channel Officers Adda 24/7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon because here you will find the answer of all of your queries. Okay, so let's start the session, and this is the session of our today's class in which we are going to discuss the 10 questions about Indian economy, Indian financial system. So I want each and every one of you to be active in the session and keep answering the question, and in the end do let me know how many answers you have given correct. Okay, so let's start with the first question, that is talking about which of the following is not one of the questions that all economic system answer. So we know there are three major questions that has been seen in the economy, in the economic system. So we have to answer that out of those three questions, which of the following is one, not the question of economic problem. So which of the following is not one of the question that all economic systems could ask? A, B, C or D? First, what will we produce, how we will produce it, for whom it will be produced, and when does the production start? So we have studied that there are three economic systems: the capital economic system, capitalistic economic system, socialistic economic system, and mixed economic system. Okay, whenever the private industrialists are taking decision, that is capitalistic. When the government is taking decision, that is socialistic. When both are taking decision, that is the mixed economy. Okay, so if I talk about how to decide that the economic system is capitalistic, socialistic or mixed, this will be decided on the answer of three questions: what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce. Okay, A, B and C, not the D. D is not a part of the economic systems question. Okay, so right answer will be A, B and C. And if these three questions will be answered by the private industrialists, that will be a capitalistic economy. If these three questions will be answered by government, that will be a socialistic economy. And if these three questions will be answered by both, that will be a mixed economy. So right answer will be your D. Okay, now second question. Second question is talking about which of the following statement is true about the primary deficit. So deficit means simply loss, and in the budget we have seen 5 types of loss are there. First, you have a revenue deficit. Revenue deficit is there. Then we have a fiscal deficit. We have a effective revenue deficit. Effective revenue deficit is also there. Okay, apart from that, we also have fiscal deficit. We have fiscal deficit. Apart from fiscal deficit, we have next what? The primary deficit. So these are the 5 types of deficits are there in the budget, and out of these we are asking about the 5th one, that is the primary deficit. So we know that government of India takes money, or government of India borrow money from the home, from abroad, and from the RBI also. So when government is borrowing money, a certain rate of interest has to be paid by government to the person or the country or the organization from whom government is taking money. So the primary deficit will be the difference between the money that has been borrowed and the interest payment that we have to pay. So the answer will be a difference between the fiscal deficit and the interest payment. So whatever the difference between there in the fiscal deficit and the interest payment, that will be known as your primary deficit. Okay, that will be known as what? Your primary deficit. So right answer is C option. Clear? Right answer, we have a C option. It is difference between fiscal deficit and interest payments. Okay, so the primary deficit let us know about what actual amount of money has been used for the country. Because if I have taken a loan of 10 lakh rupees, and out of that 2 lakh rupees of interest I have to pay. So only 8 lakh rupees I was able to use for the development of whatever purpose I wanted the money. So that is what the primary deficit defines us. Next, third question. Demand for commodity refers to. So the demand of any commodity, it refers to which of the following? Desire for that commodity, need for that commodity, quantity demanded for the commodity, quantity demanded at the certain price during any particular period of time. Which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? Which of the following correct? A, B, C or D? Okay, so the right answer will be quantity demanded at a certain price during any particular period of time. Okay, so the right answer will be your D option. The right answer, we have a D option, quantity demanded at a certain price during any particular period of time. Now, next question. Fourth question is talking about inflation is caused by. So what is inflation? Inflation is rise in the prices. Whenever we see inflation in the country, there are certain effects we have to understood that automatically we have to understood that this situation will be there in the economy. That's why the prices are rising. That's why the inflation is there. Like for example, in inflation, first of all, the money supply increases. When the money supply increases, it increases the demand of goods and services from the side of public. Because if we have more money, we will demand more goods and services. And we know that the demand and supply have an inverse relation. Demand and supply have what? Inverse relation. So when the demand increases, the supply is definitely going to decrease. And that will be increasing the price of goods and services. Okay, it will be increasing the price of goods and services. So the right answer for this particular question will be, because we are talking about inflation first. Increase in supply of goods, no, supply is less. Increase in cash with the government, only with the government is not the inflation. Overall economy should have more money, then it will create the inflation. Now, decrease in money supply is increasing. Increase in money supply, so right answer will be D. So do remember, these are the conditions. Plus this, also one more condition will be there, that the purchasing power of money, the purchasing power of money will be reducing. Because the prices are increasing, so the value, or we can say the capacity of money to purchase a certain goods and services is that is going to decrease. That is known as purchasing power of money is decreasing. Okay, so right answer will be your D. Right option will be D option. Next question is talking about disinvestment is. What is disinvestment? What is the meaning of disinvestment? First is talking about offloading of shares of private companies to government, offloading of government shares to private companies, increase in investment, closing down of business concern. Which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? So disinvestment, investment means simply you have a, let's say investment means what? You have cash. You have converted that cash into asset. Like I had the money, I purchased a bungalow. That's the investment. I had the money, I purchased the shares of a particular company. That's the investment. Now what is disinvestment? When you have assets and you convert those assets into cash. When you convert those assets into cash, that is known as your disinvestment. Okay, that will be known as what? Disinvestment. So the right answer for this particular question will be offloading of government shares to private companies. When government shares sell its shares to the private company, that is known as disinvestment. Okay, that will be disinvestment. Next, a closed economy is an economy in which of the following activity will be performed. So we have discussed that on the basis of world trade, on the basis of interaction with world trade, on the basis of relation with the world trade, we have discussed with the world. There are two types of economy, closed and open economy. So closed economy is the economy where the money supply is fully controlled. Second, deficit financing takes place. Third, only exports takes place. Fourth, neither exports nor closed will be nor imports will be take place. What does it mean? It means the right answer will be D option. So closed economy is the economy where exports and import both are not allowed by the government of India. Restrictions has been put on the exports and imports of the government's trading or the export import of goods and services. That is known as closed economy. But India is not anymore a closed economy after the liberalization, privatization, globalization. So globalization made Indian economy open economy because we linked the Indian economy with the world economy. Okay, and the privatization made India a mixed economy. Okay, what has been seen, the privatization made Indian economy a mixed economy because the government and private sector both are working together. Okay, so the right answer will be your D option. Next, a central bank of a country uses open market operation as the primary means of implementing which of the following? So central bank, it means our RBI. And what is open market operation? Here the government of India issues the government of India issues its securities. है ना? The government of India issues its securities, and because RBI works as an agent of government of India, the securities will be given to the RBI. And here the scheduled commercial banks will be there. So when RBI sees that the banks have more money, more than what is required, then RBI will sell the securities to the scheduled commercial bank, and money will be taken by RBI. Okay, and when scheduled commercial banks, the maturity period of this government schemes has been ended, in that situation, the RBI will purchase the security again and the money will be given to the scheduled commercial bank. It means simply to control the money supply with the scheduled commercial bank, RBI use under the open market operation which instrument? That is the government securities. Okay, so the right answer for this question will be monetary policy. Because monetary policy is formulated by RBI, and under the monetary policy, open market operation comes under the indirect instrument. Okay, next. An increase in CRR by Reserve Bank of India results in, if RBI increases the CRR, which of the following can be seen? First, decrease in debt of the government, reduction in the liquidity in the economy, attracting more FDI in the country, more flow of credit to desired sectors. So what do you think, which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D? What do you think, which of the following is correct? A, B, C or D, which of the following is correct? Okay, very good. The right answer will be simply, if RBI is increasing the CRR, it means RBI has made the tight monetary policy. And in tight monetary policy, RBI increases the policy rate. So obviously, reduction in the liquidity in the economy will be seen. Hana? Money will be seen, a limited reduction. In the money supply, we will be able to see. Okay, in the economy, because more money have to be reserved and the loan rates has been increased, so people will be remained with the less amount of money. Now, which of the following activities cannot lead to financial inclusion in India? Which of the following activities are not a part of financial inclusion? So first of all, what is financial inclusion? It is simply a process in which we are trying to link each and every person with the financial product and services at an affordable cost. That is known as your what? Financial inclusion. So first is saying issuing of general purpose credit card, strict know your customer norms, opening of bank branches in unbanked rural area, opening of no frills account. If you don't know what is no frills account, I will let you know. These accounts were introduced by RBI in 2004 for the purpose of financial inclusion. Why we have opened this? For the purpose of financial inclusion. Now, if I talk about the financial inclusion purpose, what we can see here under the no frills account. So no frills account is simply zero balance account introduced for the financial inclusion purpose. So the right answer will be a strict KYC norm. First, you are providing general purpose credit card. The maximum persons are you are linking to the bank. If you are providing bank branches in the unbanked rural area, again you are providing financial product and services. By opening no frills account, you are providing zero balance accounts to the customer. That is also a part of your financial inclusion, but not the strict KYC norms. Next, CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility Schedule 7. The Corporate Social Responsibility Schedule 7 of the Companies Act attempt to eliminate which of the following? The hunger, poverty, malnutrition. Which of the following? A, B or C? Which of the following is correct? So CSR is corporate social responsibility, and when we talk about the corporate social responsibility, it is simply the what we can call it, the responsibility of the corporate companies that they have to return something to the market, to the public. The right answer will be all. The hunger, poverty, malnutrition are all the part of the corporate social responsibility. Okay, now let me know out of 10 questions how many questions you have answered correct, and also this is the selection batch which is already running on the application. So right now 81% discount is going on both the batches. If you use the code Y496 you will get it, and the 81% discount plus the double validity is available on all the Mahapacks of the JAIIB and CIB, and by using the same code Y496 you will get this. So in the Mahapack, you will be getting each and everything which is required to qualify the exam, like the test series, e-books, target batches, selection batches, conceptual classes, everything will be available. So to enroll, just go to the application. If you haven't downloaded the application, do download that from the description of this particular video. Hana, you will find it. And next, then go to the JAIIB, CIB section on the application, you will find here. And if you want to enroll in the selection batch, what you have to do, just go to the JAIIB 2023. Okay. And if you want to go with the Mahapack, you can click on the JAIIB, CIB Mahapack. So this is the selection batch, that is English medium selection batch. You can read all the details, the timing and the day, everything is defined here. And to enroll, click on the buy now option, enter a code here, that will be Y496 and enter apply. So you will find here 80% discount, but the 1% additional discount will be available on the application by using the coins. Okay, so around 3,700 you have to pay. Clear? Now, apart from that, JAIIB, CIB Mahapack. If you want to go with the JAIIB, CIB Mahapack, so these are the Mahapack. On the JAIIB Mahapack, 1 year validity is there. On the JAIIB, CIB Mahapack, there are 2 years validity available. How to enroll? Just click on the Mahapack, whatever you want to enroll in. Do read the details that what will be the services available on the Mahapacks for all of you. And then click on the buy now option. Okay, then after that, click on the buy now option, enter a code here, that will be Y496 and apply here. When you apply, you will find again the 80% discount. 1 second. You will find here the 80% discount again. Okay, that 80% discount will be available for all of you here. One second, give me a minute. Okay, so 80% discount will be available for all of you here, but 1% additional discount will be available if you use the coins on the application. So around what you have to pay here, around 6,200 something you have to pay to get the 1 year validity of the JAIIB Mahapack. And the JAIIB, CIB Mahapack will be available with the 2 years validity for all of you. The same code will be applied here. Okay, now let's end the session here. Apart from that, if you have any doubt regarding any particular question, you can ask in the comment section. And last but not the least, if you are new to the channel of Officers at 24/7, then do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. Okay, so let's end the session here. Thank you all for joining the session and have a very great day to all of you. Take care.